Hey guys, this is HP Deskjet 2710. I'm going to show you how to copy your document. Open up the glass scanner, then stick the document you want to copy face down. Put the document on the glass scanner face down, and also make sure that the document starts from the right. So stick the document and make sure that it starts from your right. Then close the scanner. You will see the buttons on the left side. The first button is black. The second one is for you to copy color. So you press the first button on the left, press it once to copy one document. This is the document we copied, black. If you want to copy color, the button with red, yellow, and blue for you to copy color. And depending on how many copies you want to do, you want to copy this one copy, then you need to press the button once. If you want to copy it twice, two documents, you need to press the button 2 times. So depending on how many times you want to copy the document. So we want to copy this document 1. So this is the document we copied, color 1. So if you want to copy color twice, for instance, then you need to press this button twice. 1, 2. Then you wait. This is the first one. So these are the documents we copied. We copied this one 2 times. Copied the first one before 1, and also copied black 1. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.